Doing another quick demo. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending me the product and letting me do an install and a demo. But that's all 4 lights on. That's the 2 center lights on, off, 4 lights, 2 lights. Really a good setup. I'm super excited. Okay, today we are unboxing these cool little LED RV lights. They're 12 volt. They're supposedly easy to install. Alright, comes with screws, everything else. Ooh, they're thin and compact. I like the looks of this. They're DC 12 volts, and they also come with a whole bunch of strips of double stick tape, which is awesome. That's how I'm going to install them. Here's the information if you need to get a hold of the company. I like it. Warranty information. Okay, we're camping. We have our new lights installed. We have 4 of them across here. I installed them so I could have 2 of them as well, or none. I think they're bright. I think they're amazing. I love it. Alright, I'm out here underneath my RV. You can see I have this slide out, and this is where I'm going to install these lights. But I've got them lined up about 12 inches apart, and it's about 7.5 feet long. And just what I'm going to do is wire all the negatives together, and then wire the 2 outside positives together and the 2 inside positives together, and run those up to a switch. Alright, I'm ready to install these cute little lights on my RV. I'm going to use 3 of the supplied double stick tape pieces. I'm going to wipe this down with rubbing alcohol, put this on there, wipe the RV down with rubbing alcohol, and then put the light up with all 3 pieces sticking at once to the RV. Okay, I'm ready to install the lights right up here, and I'm going to put them right next to the very edge, pointed down, and this is where it's going to be more work. I'm working over my head, and there's a little bit of dirt here, so I'm going to clean it really well, and then I'm going to just remove this film off the double sticky tape and just stick these up, and I think they're going to work fine. I'm going to get some additional double stick tape, put it up here for the wires, and the wires are going to go through the console right here, just above me. I don't think I can film that because it's like working upside down and a little bit difficult, but that's what we're going to do. Alright, well that was super awesome. I have my wiring harness all built and done, and it's hanging down here. It's probably not that easy to see and understand, but I have the 2 outer lights connected together. I have the negative connected together on every single one of them. Let me do that. Yeah, I've got the negative connected together on every single one of them. The 2 positive from the middle go into a wire. That's that white one. The 2 positives from the outside go into the other leg of that white wire, and I'm going to be able to tuck them up right through the chassis right there. Alright, so I'm out here trying to get the wires tucked up nice and out of sight. I got some double stick tape and put it up under there, and then I'm going to cover it with duct tape. I'm like, that is the slickest thing I've ever seen. That is just really good. I'm impressed with this idea. Alright, I have this marked out. That's where I'm going to put my switch. Got them in the middle of the speaker out in this hole. It's under my TV door opener, which will be fine. And it's on the slide, so my electronic wires only have to go into the slide, not into the house, which will be fine. Alright, once again, wiring is in. That double stick tape on top is super cool, and then I'm going to cover it with duct tape. Alright, to give you a little bit more idea on the switch when it gets finals, I've got a double pole, double throw. So the top one, the power goes from the middle to one side to light the two middle ones, and you can see they light up. And then when you throw it down here, the power goes from the middle to both the tabs on the bottom, and then that way it lights up all four of them. So off, 2, down, 4. And then I'll go inside and show you where I tied into a USB constant 12 volt. Okay, so for wiring this, down here in the back, right here I have a USB connector that goes out to my family room. I took all my drawers out and I reached in behind the drawers, and luckily left open right here was a wiring harness where the power from the system came in to connect to the USB port, and I just put that green wire in there, and then I just put this white wire in here, and that's how my new lights outside are connected. I didn't have to solder or mess with anything. And yeah, as you can see in here, there's lots of wires going every which way, so it's not too hard to find one to tie into. Okay, we're doing a quick demo of my lights that I've got installed. I want to thank the manufacturer so much for sending me these and letting me do an install and a review. They work great. As you can see, I go off, inner 2, outer 2, off, inner 2, outer 2, off, inner 2, outer 2. They're just so much fun to play with.